हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज महेश कुमार एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। इन लोगों से हिंदी में पूछूंगा और इंग्लिश में ये ट्रांसलेट करेंगे, ठीक है। जो कुछ भी होगा मैं हिंदी में पूछूंगा और इंग्लिश में ये लोग ट्रांसलेट करेंगे, राइट। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं और देखते हैं कि ये लोग कितना बता पाते हैं, ठीक है। हिंदी टू इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन, यू कैन से कि हिंदी टू इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन क्लास होने वाला है, ठीक है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सो Anu, what's your name?
My name is Anu.
Anu. So your question is start now. मैं 2 दिनों से यह काम को कर रहा हूँ।
I have been working, doing this work from 2 days.
For 2 days.
Oh, sorry, for 2 days.
Yes. मैं सुबह से पढ़ा रहा हूँ।
I have been teaching since morning.
Yes, I have been teaching since morning. आप सुबह से क्या कर रहे हैं?
What have you been doing since morning?
What have you been doing since morning? मैं रोज यहाँ आता हूँ।
I came here daily. Come here daily.
I come here daily. Yes. वह रोज यहाँ नहीं आता है।
He doesn't come here daily.
He doesn't come here
daily.
मैं पहले ही अपना काम कर लिया हूँ।
I have already done my work.
Okay. क्या आप कभी मुंबई गए हैं?
Have you ever gone to Mumbai?
मैं मुंबई कभी नहीं गया हूँ।
I have never gone to Mumbai.
Okay. क्या वह अपना काम कर लिया है?
Has he done his work?
Has he
done his work?
Has he done his work? Right. अभी आप क्या कर रहे हैं?
What are you doing now?
Yes. What are you doing now? वह वहाँ क्या कर रहा है?
What he is doing there?
Yes. क्या आप उसको जानते हैं?
Do you know her?
Do you know him?
Him or her, sir?
Yes.
You haven't defined it.
Okay. क्या आप राम को जानते हैं?
Do you know Ram?
Yes. क्या आप इस इंस्टीट्यूट के बारे में जानते हैं?
Do you know about this institute?
Okay. मैं हाजीपुर के बारे में सब कुछ जानता हूँ।
I know everything about Hajipur.
I know everything about Hajipur.
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. What's your name?
Preeti Kumari.
प्रीति कुमारी। ओके। सो प्रीति, मैं यहाँ आता हूँ।
I come here.
मैं वहाँ जाता हूँ।
I go there.
ओके। मैं अंग्रेजी अखबार पढ़ता हूँ।
I read English newspaper. I read English newspaper.
ओके। मैं सुबह से पढ़ रहा हूँ।
I am reading.
I have been
studying.
I have been studying since morning.
Since morning.
Okay. आप सुबह से क्या कर रहे हैं?
What have you been doing since morning?
Okay. मैं अपना काम कर लिया हूँ।
I have done my work.
Okay. मैं पहले ही अपना काम कर लिया हूँ।
I have done my work.
I have
already done my work.
Yes, I have already done my work. क्या आप अपना काम कर लिए हैं?
Have you done your work?
Yes. Have you done your work? आप क्या कर रहे हैं?
What are you doing?
Okay. आप वहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं?
What are you doing there?
Okay. आप कैसे अंग्रेजी बोल रहे हैं?
How are you speaking English?
Yes. How are you speaking English? Very good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. मैं रोज यहाँ आता हूँ।
I come here daily.
Okay. मैं यहाँ अंग्रेजी सीखने के लिए आता हूँ।
I have learned English. I come here learn English.
I come here to learn English. Okay. आप क्या कर रहे हैं?
What are you
What are you doing here?
doing here?
Okay. मैं सुबह से अंग्रेजी पढ़ रहा हूँ.
I learn English. I have been learning English in morning.
I have been learning English
In morning.
since morning.
Since morning.
Okay. Okay. मैं अपना काम कर लिया हूँ.
I have done my work.
Okay. क्या आप अपना काम कर लिए?
Have you done your work?
Yes. क्या वह अपना काम कर लिया है?
Have you
Has
you done your work?
Has he
done your work?
Has he done his work?
His work.
Okay. Why do you come here?
I come here in Delhi. I come here
To learn English.
to learn English.
You come here to learn English. Okay. So, why do you want to learn English? Make your future. So, as you know, English is very important in your life. That's why you want to learn English.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Of course.
Okay. So, what are you doing to learn English at your home? Are you doing something at your home to learn English?
Yes, sir.
What?
I read English book and watch English poem. Oh, sir.
English book or
English.
poem?
हाँ.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
So, Anu, why do you want to learn English?
I want to learn English to increase my speaking skill, to connect with anybody, whether they are foreigner and anything, or Indians.
That's why you want to learn English.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what are you doing to learn English?
Sir, I am reading English newspaper daily in my home, and already I always like to watching English videos, like debate discussion which are in English. Okay, sir. And when I want to entertain myself, I usually watch English movies. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think you reading English book or watching English movies. So these days you are doing like this to improve your English. So do you think it is enough for you to improve your English?
Sir, at my due to lack of sources, I think this is enough for me now. But
I think you have source which helps you to improve your English, like a smartphone. You have a smartphone, and I think that it is enough for you to improve your English. You know, whenever you have any problem to speak English, okay, you can find out the exact result, or you can find out the exact answer from the smartphone, right? And you can improve your English. So do you use your smartphone whenever you have any problem?
yes, sir.
Like do you watch YouTube or do you use Google?
Yes,
How many hours do you watch YouTube?
Actually, sir, YouTube 2 hours enough.
Okay, very good. So I think you keep learning regularly, because if you don't, I think, do regular, you cannot improve your English. I think that. So if you really want to improve your English, right, you can do. You have to do some things so that you can improve your English, and continuously and with dedication.
Yes.
Right? It is very important for.
Sir, Akansha Gupta.
Akansha. So, your first question is that मैं सुबह से अंग्रेजी पढ़ रहा हूँ.
I have learned English.
I have
been learning English since morning.
learning English since morning.
I have been learning English since morning.
Okay. मैं अपना काम कर लिया हूँ.
I have already done my work.
मैं अपना काम कर लिया हूँ.
I have done my work.
Yes. क्या आप अपना काम कर लिए हैं?
You have done. Have you done your work?
Yes. Have you done
Your work.
Okay. मैं पहले ही अपना काम कर लिया हूँ.
I have already done my work.
Yes. मैं यहाँ आता हूँ.
I come here.
सीधा I come here.
I come here.
मैं वहाँ जाता हूँ.
I go there.
ओके। मैं अंग्रेजी बोलता हूँ।
I speak English.
ओके। मैं इंग्लिश अखबार पढ़ता हूँ।
I have read English newspaper.
आई रीड इंग्लिश न्यूज़पेपर।
I read English newspaper.
मैं उसे जानता हूँ।
I know him.
मैं तुम्हें जानता हूँ।
I know.
आई नो यू।
I know you.
तो दोस्तों आपने देखा कि किस तरीके से मैंने इन लोगों से क्वेश्चन किया। हालांकि मैं इंग्लिश में भी क्वेश्चन किया है, ठीक है। और कुछ लोग एलिजिबल है इंग्लिश बोलने में और कुछ लोग एलिजिबल नहीं है, अभी बिगनर है, अभी सीख रहे हैं, राइट। तो बस आज की वीडियो में बस इतना ही है दोस्तों, फिर मिलते हैं किसी और वीडियो में। अब तक आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन को